Guys, how you doing? I got a good question for you guys. Somebody out there that understands how these oranges grow. These particular oranges here, one reason why they're smaller, I believe, because it wasn't watered enough. But let me know what you guys think. Why they come out so small? Is it because they're not being watered correctly? Or should I be adding something additional to it? The leaves, the leaves look okay, but some of them are kind of like this. So maybe somebody out there that understands how oranges grow. It could be like I said. And then why do they have this stuff where they open up like that versus apologize if my nails look kind of funny, but I was over there pulling something up in the ground and it got my fingers kind of yucky, but no worries. Concentrate on the oranges, not on my hands. But yeah, some of them is larger, you could see that, and then some of them have stuff like this and it opens up and they're like this, versus some of them is sealed like this. And then I want somebody with constructive answers, not something silly, so I know they need to be watered, but see, even the lemons, they're small, but the flavor is really still good. It's still got a nice flavor to it. But you can see too, they're small as well. So maybe you can give me some ideas on how to get them to be much larger, but the flavor haven't changed at all. They have like a sweet taste to them. They've always had a sweet taste, like sour sweet. That's what they're so good. But again, look at how small these are too. So let me know, guys. Somebody out there I know have to know what's going on with these lemons. But here we go. See, we have a whole bunch of them. I mean, they make great smell if you just cut them open and just place them in the house. Also, I use them to clean the countertops and stuff. I just cut the top off. But then you can see, if you was just use them for decoration, they look pretty cool. They got a bright color to them. But again, it could be neglecting, not watering them enough. I mean, we don't get enough rain here, but when we do, we get a lot. And I was trying to be more conservative with the water, trying to keep not overusing the water, but we're finding out maybe that was just them flapping their gums. We don't have enough water. But again, let me know, guys. New Positivity TV. Trying to figure out why. The question is why these lemons are looking like this condition. I mean, definitely I wouldn't eat something like this. I wouldn't even cut it open. This goes in the garbage. I wouldn't even use that to clean. But these ones like this one, that still looks good, New Positivity TV. But yeah, it's this tree been around a long time. It's got some years on it too. I mean, you could shred it dry. I mean, you could cut it till it's nothing and it'll still grow something on it. I mean, it refuses to go away. So, again, this one's the same. The leaves are nice and green though. I mean, they don't have any of that, sometimes you see like that white powder stuff on them. But look at this one, how orange it looks. And it's, if you try to, like I said, I was digging over there, so my fingernails got some stuff underneath, but I got to clean them before I definitely open one of these up. But I didn't want to go in there and try to do that and then come back because it's getting dark. I wanted to take advantage of the sunlight to make this video. So, but yeah, you can see here too. Again, see how that opens up? So let me know why this is doing it. And then we have this, no problem here. You see this one? If you cut this open, it looks like a big orange. I mean, they're really easy and convenient to take when you're just taking something sweet to snack on versus carrying a big orange. And I don't know what type of orange tree this is. All I know is it's orange. And you open it up, it looks like an orange, you know. But again, see? And then here too. And then these two, look. And a couple of times I saw like years ago, I used to see like a little insect. I didn't know what kind of insect it might have been an ant. I'm pretty sure it wasn't something that created any problems because I don't see them anymore. But I don't have a knife to cut one open and let you guys see. But it looks like maybe I'll cut one open and show you as well. Let me do that. Let me pause the video and cut one open. Hang on, guys. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like inside. And if you squeeze it, you can see the juice dripping out. So even though they're small, they have good juicy flavor. Look. See that? So they're not dry. They just didn't grow, but they're orange. And this one here has, like I said, that little hole inside, but I don't see anything coming out. New Positivity TV. So let me know, guys, why these things are not growing large like they should, and if it was the water issue. New Positivity TV. Thanks for watching.